Okay, guys, hey, what's up? I got good. I'm doing good. I'm good. Hang on. Hey, Mr. James. What's up? How you doing today? Yeah, it rained super hard last night. I was kind of awake. I was in bed going to sleep. And I heard boom. Yeah, it hit something. Probably trees. You never know. I will talk to you later on. Yep. Today will be a good day. We had some rain last night, but it hit something last night. I don't know what. It hit something. It hit something last night. I don't know what, but it hit something. Probably trees, poles, or something. It hit something last night. It hit something. It hit something last night. Hopefully no cars. Go! No gun, no call. No cars. The lightning or something hit something last night. I don't know what, but last night the wind was super strong, and it still is a tad. Beautiful day, but for real. Yep. Have a good day.